In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok account private completely for free. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so once you have your TikTok open, whether it's on Android or it's Apple, iOS, Play Store, you kind of get the point. You want to click this icon right here on the very top right hand of the screen. Basically, we want to click the bottom option where it says settings, privacy. Trust me, boys and girls, if you watch until the very end, you'll understand how important this is, or maybe not, really up to you. So settings and privacy. Okay, so as you can see, as I'm scrolling up and I'm scrolling down, we have a whole list of different options. But basically, we want to click the second option right here under account where it says privacy. And boom, bada bing, bada boom, you have something called private account. If you click this icon right here, as you can see, it's going to say switch to personal account to private. And I mean, basically, like if you're watching this video, you want to say your account's a private, right? So click the first option, click switch anyway, wait for this to load. Okay, I think it's kind of lagging here. And bada bing, bada boom, it's colored blue. So now if you click back here and you refresh your page, your account is now officially private. If you want to see more tutorials like this, drop this video a like, comment down below, and share the video if you found value. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.